Welcome to this instructional video on electric vehicle fault diagnosis. Using the BYD Atto 3 as our training model, we'll guide you through a practical example, diagnosing and repairing a fault where the rear position light fails to illuminate. This step-by-step tutorial will showcase the advanced diagnostic tools and techniques specific to the BYD Atto 3, helping you understand its system structure and apply effective solutions. Let's get started. Part first. Confirming the fault phenomenon. We will use the fault simulation system to configure fault node 2 on our equipment, the BYD Atto 3 body electrical system training platform, specifically for the left and right controllers, BG64B pin 15. Next, we start the vehicle and observe what fault phenomena the equipment exhibits after configuring this fault. We observe that the license plate light and brake light illuminate normally. The reverse light also illuminates normally. However, the rear position light fails to illuminate. After confirming the fault phenomenon, we will analyze and identify the specific cause of the fault and proceed with the repair. Part second. Fault diagnosis and repair. Based on our experience and expertise, such issues are typically caused by the following. The rear position light component may be damaged. There may be an issue with the rear position light wiring. The controller may have a malfunction. We will examine these possible causes one by one, identify the root issue, and resolve it. We will use a professional electric vehicle diagnostic scanner to diagnose the equipment. The specific steps are as follows. First, insert the scanner's connector into the equipment's OBD port and ensure a secure connection. Then, check whether the Bluetooth connection is successful. Finally, observe the scanner's display interface to confirm the connection status and ensure the display is functioning correctly. Start diagnosis. Select BYD. Manual selection. Electric vehicle. Atto. Atto 3. Automatic scan. The diagnostic scanner is gradually scanning the entire vehicle system. After completing the scan, no fault codes were detected. Next, we will start reading the live data stream. Also, no abnormal data related to the rear position light has been found so far. After failing to identify the fault cause using the diagnostic scanner, we will use a multimeter to check the relevant circuits. The rear position light is controlled by the left combination switch, so we need to prioritize checking the circuit in this part. Verify the multimeter. Set the multimeter to voltage measurement mode. Check pin 2 of the left domain controller, BG64C. The measured voltage is 12.9 volts, which is within the normal range. Check pin 6 of the left domain controller, BG64C. The measured voltage is 0 volts, which is normal. Check pin 3 of the left domain controller, BG64C. The measured voltage is 0 volts, which is normal. Check pin 39 of the left domain controller, BG64B. The measured voltage is 2.4 volts, which is normal. Check pin 11 of the left domain controller, BG64B. The measured voltage is 12.9 volts, which is normal. Check pin 15 of the left domain controller, BG64B. The measured voltage is 12.9 volts, which is normal. Check pin 4 of the left domain controller, BG64B. The measured voltage is 0 volts, which is normal. Check pin B57 of the combination lamp. The measured voltage is 0 volts, which is abnormal. Based on the test results, it was found that the voltage between B5/7 and BG64B/15 is inconsistent, suggesting a circuit interruption, specifically in the breathing-enabled signal line between the left domain controller and the position light. We attempted to use a jumper wire for simulated repair, and the rear position light lit up normally. We used the fault simulation system to clear the fault in the equipment, effectively resolving the issue. After clearing the fault, the rear position light returned to normal operation. We used a multimeter to test the circuit voltage again, measuring an output voltage of 12.3 volts and an input voltage of 12.2 volts. The voltage has returned to normal, confirming that the fault has been fully resolved. Part 3. Summary and review. First, a diagnostic scanner was used to diagnose the vehicle, and no fault codes were detected. The data stream indicated a normal state. Upon inspection, the reverse lights, fog lights, and position lights were all functioning normally, confirming that the electrical power to the lights was intact. Let's review the entire troubleshooting process. Next, the repair manual and circuit diagram were consulted, and an initial check and assessment of the circuit were performed. It was found that the rear position light's breathing signal line had an open circuit, which prevented the rear position light from illuminating. Then, the output power of the left wing controller was tested and confirmed to be in a normal state. Finally, the rear position light's breathing signal line was repaired. After the repair, the rear position light illuminated normally and the fault was completely resolved.